Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, where today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can get the link or make link from your Google Drive, and you can share those links on your email. First of all you have to do is be logged in into your Google Drive like I already am. After you are logged in into your Google Drive, all you need to do is select the file that you want to create the link of. Let's say this is the file that I'm going to create the link of. All you need to do is first of all click on it. Or you can do is simply click on the three dots here, or you can also click it here. And the simple way is also you can right click on it. If you right click it, you can see all of these options here. From here, simply click on the share option, and now to create this link or to make link, all you have to do is push on the copy link option. Now you can see that your link has been copied. And after your link has been copied, you are now able to paste it anywhere. Simply click on Ctrl+V on your keyboard, or you can do is right click on anywhere and use this paste button, and you'll be able to get the link. And that is how you'll be able to get the link in your Google Drive. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.